In this video, we're uncovering two must-visit spots that have become local favorites. First, we're heading to Mila's Tokwa't Baboy, a legendary eatery that's been delighting local diners for years with its mouth-watering dishes that keep people coming back for more.
This might be my favorite salad.
Then, we're stopping by Pitang's Bakeshop, where they just serve up irresistible,
I think I'm gonna finish this full jar also.
traditional Filipino sweets that are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth.
Hey everyone, I'm Xuhmbuddy and we are here back again in Angeles City, Pampanga. Today, I want to introduce to you to a legendary eatery, Mila's Tokwa't Baboy. As the name suggests, they serve Tokwat Baboy, which means pork and tofu. So the restaurant may be tucked away from the main road, but it is still pretty easy to find. Alright, let's head inside. Wow, I already love it. It feels like stepping into Grandma's home, and you can already tell that Grandma's going to serve you a very hearty meal. Is this Aling Milas? I think this is Aling Milas. Wave to the camera. Wow, look at the wall. It's the wall of celebrity. Hope that one day I'll also be here. So if you take a look at the restaurant, you can recognize that it is half restaurant and half house. I mean, yeah, just like Grandma's house, right there at the back. I think the family lives there, and then here, the side is where the dining area is. Alright, so here we are at Mila's Tokwa't Baboy. This is their menu. So yeah, they also got sisig. They got Tokwa't Baboy, what they are known for, and then plain sisig. What's plain sisig? We're gonna try sisig later on, and then the Tokwa't Baboy. And then I know that they're also known here for their barbecue tocino. So here outside, they're grilling the barbecue tocino. Smells pretty good. Smells a little bit sweet and smoky. So here outside they got the grilling station right there. This is a dining area outside. Well, inside a while ago, where we ordered our dishes. And then yeah, restaurant's pretty huge. So they got both indoor and outdoor dining. And let's go back. Here we are on the table. We have already ordered all the food that we want. So let us start with the star of the show, the Mila's Tokwa't Baboy. So Tokwa't Baboy literally means tokwa, pork, tokwa, tofu, and baboy. This is the pig or the pork. So let's mix this up. So the Tokwa't Baboy, the baboy or the pork has some celery on top, some celery leaves. So let's mix it up, and then they got some onion inside, and they are all submerged in this some kind of soy sauce mixture. It smells a little bit like calamansi. I can smell the calamansi out from here. Let's try the pig's ear first. So this is the Mila's Tokwa't Baboy, the takwa. Wow! Wow! first bite was it gave me a punch of the sourness from the calamansi, and then I got that mixture of it tastes. You can taste the mixture of the soy sauce and calamansi. It has a pretty strong flavor to it, and then the pork ear tastes very clean. You don't taste the gaminess from the pork. Wow! And then there's some crunchiness from the. There's also some crunchiness from the cartilage of the pig ear. So now let's try the tokwat, the tofu, the fried tofu. So it's pretty crunchy. You can hear the crunchiness from the tofu. So let's dip it inside the soy sauce mixture. So let's take a bite. The tofu is crunchy on the outside and a little bit warm on the inside. So and then let's pair it with the pig ear. Let's pair these two together. Wow! You got the crunchiness from the tokwat, you got the crunchiness from the tofu, and then the crunchiness from the cartilage. The texture battles inside your mouth. The cartilage, the pork ear also tastes a little bit chewy, soft. Wow! It's a festival of texture inside the mouth. Next up, let's try their paco salad or the fern salad. So they got a layer of salted egg on top, and then beneath it they got the fern. Wow! Fern. We get some fern, some tomato slices, and then some onion slices. So let's mix it up. Let's put some. I think this is some vinegar. Let's put the sauce. Let's hydrate the salad up with some of this vinegar and sugar mixture. Let's mix it up. Alright, let's take a bite of the fern salad or the paco salad. So get a piece of the onion, get some tomato, let's get some salted egg. So cheers guys. Wow. So refreshing. Wow. The vinegar gives the taste to the salad. So you get some sweetness from the vinegar. The vinegar doesn't taste sour, rather than it tastes a little bit sweet. So a light vinegar with some sweetness on it. And then the fern, crispy, refreshing, paired with the onion and then the tomato. And then the egg, the salted egg, gives it another depth of flavor. Gives a little bit of salted egg flavor. Really nice. Wow. I usually don't like salad, but this might be my favorite salad. Next up, let's try their sisig. Their sizzling sisig. So here at Mila's Tokwat Baboy, they also serve sisig. From my research, their sisig here at Mila's Tokwat Baboy are fried rather than grilled. So it might be a little bit different from Aling Lusing's sisig. So let's give it a shot. Wow. I think I like this much better than Aling Lusing because you got the crispiness from the fried pork bits, and then you got some chewiness, and then you got some sweetness from the onion. This one, very good. Next up, let's try their famous barbecue tocino. So, if you guys know tocino is a Filipino cured meat, cured in sugar, mostly marinated in sugar. So this is a barbecue tocino, Aling Mila's barbecue tocino. And this is pork. This is actually pork. So let's give it a shot. Wow. It's sweet. It's soft. It's fragrant. It's grilled perfectly. Wow. So you got the tocino flavor or the sugariness. Got the huge flavor of the sugariness from the tocino. Paired with some salad. Wow. I've been liking everything here so far. And then the last thing we got here is the grilled chicken ass or the grilled paldeot. The last time we tried this is in Ningnangan. It was pretty great. It was one of the best barbecue. So let's try if Mina's chicken ass is as good as Ningnangan. So let's just take a bite from the stick. Wow. Again, the chicken ass, one of the best part in a chicken. It's juicy, it's fatty, it's very rich, mostly from the chicken fat. And then, yeah, it doesn't taste weird at all. It just tastes the pure flavor of the chicken. And then this one's grilled again in barbecue, in Filipino barbecue sauce, Filipino style barbecue. Everything was so good right now. Mila's Tokwa't Baboy restaurant. Very good restaurant. Then let's have another bite of this salad. Wow. Refreshing. And with some sisig. Yeah. Wow. Let's take this one last bite. Wow. So our total bill is 1,281 pesos. So that's for everything that we got here today. Oh, look. They're serving dirty ice cream right outside of right outside of this Mila's Tokwa't Baboy. Can you take a look?
Avocado, cookies and cream cheese.
Is that avocado, cookies and cream, and what is that?
Cheese.
Cheese flavor. Can I have a cheese flavor of the ice cream? One cheese flavor, please. Yeah. How much is it? 30 pesos. Here's the right, thank you. So we also got some dirty ice cream just right outside Mila's Tokwa't Baboy. So we got the cheese flavor of the ice cream, dirty ice cream. And then you can see at my back. They also sell some, I think some pasalubongs. So if you want to buy something here in Mila's Tokwa't Baboy, you can also buy them. They got some Filipino treats, some cookies, some tarts. So yeah, got some dirty ice cream. So let's give this ice cream a try. Dirty ice cream. It's a cheese flavor. Wow. Pretty sweet, creamy. And got some. Look, the dogs look at me. Whoa. You got a huge dog here. Well, you want some ice cream? Want some ice cream? Whoa. So the ice cream got some bits of cheese inside. I think doggy wants some ice cream. Wait, let's give the dog some barbecue. We have a while ago. Oh, I like the barbecue. How's the food? So I like this barbecue. I think the dog. Come here, doggy. Have the barbecue. Yeah. Wow. All right. So for the next spot, we're going to a local bake shop that sells a special Filipino treat.
A few moments later.
So here we are at Pitang's Bake Shop, a very local bake shop that's been open for I don't know how many years. So let's take a look inside. Wow, even though from the outside you can already smell the amazing smell of the bake shop. Oh, so let's doorbell. Let's knock inside. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Pitang's.
Wow.
Yes.
So as you walk inside the bake shop, the store, you can already smell the butteriness from the, I think, are you baking some cookies right now?
Yes, we're baking some cookies right now. One of our best sellers. It's called the Spritz cookies. Okay, it comes in two sizes: the tall jar, and then the small jar.
Pitang's Bake Shop is actually a local bake shop that's been open for. May I ask how long have you been open?
2013. We
Since
opened
2013.
July, 2013.
But the name Pitang.
Pitang's was our mother's name. That was her nickname short for Josefa.
That's nickname for Pitang. So you're the second generation.
Yes, I'm the
Pitang's Bake
seventh
Shop.
daughter of Pitang, hence son Narciso.
Oh, so amazing, right? So here are some of their menu that they got here. So they got the famous Spritz cookies, mamon tostado, sans rival, food for the gods, walnut tassis, pecan tassis, and salted caramel bars. So they are known here for their Spritz cookies that you have seen here a while ago. So these are the Spritz cookies. Oh, so it's some sort of a star-shaped cookie. But yeah, you can smell the butteriness. Since I'm walking outside a while ago, you can smell the butter smell from the bake shop.
Yeah, so that's why you came in.
Yeah.
Smells it. I let you taste. This is the pecan tassis.
That's the
Pecan tassis.
so
So that's it.
so what's this made of?
It's made of pecan, and then our shell is made of cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
So taste it.
Alright. So let's take a bite of the pecan tassi. Wow. First bite, the crunchy crust and the pecan. There's I think, some sort of sugar. What kind of sugar do you use here?
Yes. Confectioner sugar. on
Confectioner
top.
sugar. How about inside?
Not just it's a mixture of honey and
yeah.
yes.
So yeah, the honey. What I tasted is the honey and the pecan. So yeah. Wow, so wonderful.
Thank you.
So I think this is 10 times better than the cashew tart.
Oh yes, definitely. This one, you said you wanted to buy this one?
Yeah.
So the small jar is 200, the big jar is 350.
So everything is baked within the day, am I right?
Yes,
So they're baked fresh and
fresh, yes. But then they can last for a while. They like the Spritz cookies can last for 1.5 months.
then 1.5 months.
As long as they don't put them under the sun.
So let's try this Spritz cookies first. Nice. Let's open the Spritz cookies. Wow. So immediately upon you open the jar, you can smell the butteriness. I think there's smells nuttiness. There's some sort of nuttiness to it.
No, none.
None?
It's just buttercream and
From the buttercream.
yeah.
Wow. So I think that's the smell of the buttercream.
Try it.
So let's try a piece of this Spritz cookies. Wow, so light. And then it just, what do you call this? It just disperses inside your mouth. I don't know how to describe the taste, but wow, yeah, it's a little bit, just butter, like some sort of milk flavor to it. And then, yeah, it's very, very fragrant. So let's take one more bite. Wow.
Yeah, some people say when they open one, they can't help but finish all.
You can help but finish all. Yeah,
Yes.
I think I'm gonna finish this whole jar also.
Yeah. Our half Sancerval looks like this.
Wow, so it's a huge piece of Sancerval.
Yeah, so this is 700, and then the put just two together, you have one whole, and this is 1/3.
So unlike the usual Sanserbal that they are like shaped like oval.
No, those are Sylvanas.
That's Sylvanas. So
This is Sanserbal.
that's different.
Yeah, that's different. But once you taste this, many people say ours is the best.
the best. Unfortunately, we won't be available to taste the Sanserbal as they are sold out right now.
Yeah.
So how about what else do we got here that we can taste? How about the chocolate salted caramel
Yeah,
bars?
those are sold
Sold
out
out
already.
also.
Someone's
Wow.
someone's gonna. So it's crunchy and it's great with coffee
Ready with
and
coffee.
yeah,
Wow.
and soda.
Soda. So it's. I
It's
think this is baked or.
it's actually we bake it twice.
Mhm.
First we bake the cake and then we slice it and then we put butter on both sides. Then we bake it again till they're brown
Wow.
and crispy. So
Wow.
and then
Smells
when
pretty nice.
when they're baking this, a lot of people also come in because of the buttery smell.
Butter smell, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So even though if you're living
Then they
right.
would always say, I smelled it and I became so hungry. That's why they would come in.
Wow. So yeah, unfortunately, we won't also be trying. We won't also be able to try this one because they are sold out.
Yes.
So yeah. So nonetheless, I've tried the pecan tassi a while ago and the spritz cookies. Yeah, they are really good. So even though I haven't tasted the other one, I can surely say that from the taste of the previous two desserts that I tried, yeah, I think it will also be really good. I'm gonna leave a link to their Facebook page and then I'm gonna
Yes.
give
We have
a
also in our
page here.
Facebook page a description of our products. So for those who want to know like what are tassis, so it gives you a description of our products.
Thanks for that. May I ask what is your name?
My name is Nina
Nina.
Narciso.
Nina Narciso. So
Narciso,
yeah,
yes.
seventh daughter of
Of Pitang, yes. And all of us working here are seniors.
Oh, they are seniors. Wow.
Senior citizens, yes. My sister, the one who she's 80 years old. She's the one who makes the
Wow,
tassis.
amazing.
And then my younger sister, our youngest, is the one who makes, along with her daughter, makes the practically all the other products.
Wow. So this is really a
Family
business.
Yes.
Right, thank you po.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you'll come back.
Yeah, I'll come back. I'll try the other stuff over here.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Wow! So we had a pretty great day today a while ago at Mila's Tokwa't Baboy and here at Pitang's Bakeshop. So this ends our episode 4 of Kapampangan Food Adventure. If you haven't seen our previous videos, I'll leave them right up here. And then I'll come back here again once to Pitang's Bakeshop and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.